Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving an abbreviated tutorial on how to apply your wall decals. This tutorial is specifically for people that have purchased from my Etsy store. If you just happen to stumble upon this tutorial and you haven't purchased, the link for my Etsy store is below. You can check out what I have. If not, and you're just browsing, that's cool. At the time that I recorded this, I had just moved house. I didn't have a lot of things available to me, so I didn't have a tape measure or a laser level or anything like that, not even a ladder. So I've literally just been resourceful. I had some string, so I thought I'd use that for my guides on how to place my decals. What I would suggest is you figure out a way that you can do that. You don't have to use this method that I've done. If it works for you, then go ahead, but if not, that's fine. You can use a laser level if you want to. You can mark it out with a pencil if you want to. Also, I would highly recommend just using some blue tack on the backing paper and just place your decals where you want them to go beforehand. Maybe take a picture for reference so that you know exactly how you want your layout to be before you go ahead and stick them to the wall. Because once you stick them to the wall, you can remove them, but once you remove them, they can't be reused again. So first things first, you have to prep your wall. My house has recently been redecorated, so I had to just kind of wash everything off. I just mixed some flash and water and just kind of rubbed it down with a sponge. And you have to make sure the wall is dry, obviously. Otherwise, your vinyl's not going to be that sticky. Then I kind of just, the last design that I did for my son's room, I kind of just did it freehand, but this time I wanted it to be perfect, so I kind of measured it out with string because I didn't really want to draw on the wall and then have to make more work for myself after cleaning it off and blah blah blah. So I also don't have a ladder, so I'm using my dining room chair, which is also how I measured the lines going down. I just kind of did it the width from here to here, and then measured the width with another piece of string, and then that's how I got my horizontal lines. I literally just taped to the wall right now. And that's it for the prep. Now for your actual putting the vinyl on the wall, you're going to need all your cutouts. You're also going to need your transfer tape, a squeegee, and scissors to cut your stuff off. I'm going to start with my first LV piece. I find it easier to lay out the transfer tape first and then lay the actual vinyl on top of it. I don't have a very big work surface, so excuse the fiddliness of it. So you're going to want to put your vinyl onto the tape. I hope I've got enough. Cut your tape. This roll is like a 50-meter roll, so I've got like endless amounts of it. And also you can reuse the tape that you've cut up until it loses its tackiness. So next you want to use your squeegee and then just rub all the air bubbles out. Get a nice pressure so that when you peel the backing paper off, it sticks to the application tape. I think that's good so far. I've got a little bit coming over the edge, but it is what it is. Now I'm going to take it and try and apply it to the wall. My first piece. Because I've got the lines here, I need to kind of find a way to stick it behind the lines. That looks about central, I think. What do we think? It looks roughly straight to me. And then you just use your squeegee and apply it to the wall. Make sure you get any air bubbles out. And then we can remove the tape. You need to make sure that you pull it in a downwards motion very slowly so that you can make sure you don't actually tear the vinyl. If you do anything within a 45 to 90 degree angle away from the wall, that can potentially pull your vinyl off. So you want to literally pull or roll straight down, as you can see I'm doing in the video, and just take your time with it because you don't want to damage the actual vinyl itself. And we have our LV on, looking lovely. And that is how you apply a decal to your wall. Now, if you've purchased the LV wall from me, then you just rinse and repeat everything that I've done in the video so far until your wall is completed. I would absolutely love to see what you come up with, your layouts, your designs, and just tag me in pictures or send me pictures. I would love to share them on my social media or use them for other listings to show examples of your work. That would be amazing. I really hope this tutorial helped you. If it didn't, please let me know or send me a comment and I can update it. I'll create a new video that will better explain what you need to do. Good luck with your project, guys.